It's Monday and I'm about to have to go to work and I'm gonna wash my face really quick, do some skincare with this watermelon cleanser I got from Target. I love it. It works really, really well. For my face, it makes it feel so smooth and hydrated. And I have the thing you use to you press it and it turns on for your face, but it's in the upstairs bathroom because Olivia likes to use it too. So I'm just gonna use my fingers, my hands right now. Um, it's a really good cleanser. It removes dirt, oil, and impurities from the skin surface. It says, fun fact, spending time with nature has been shown to give you an instant boost of happy. It has a fun fact on there. Anyways, so I just got done brushing my teeth. And now I'm going to wash this off of my face really quick. And I have to be at work really soon. I'm helping out the other students today. Usually I'm off on Mondays, but they need help at another store. So I've got to go run a cash register at the other store. And then this helps get me well good. Usually I take a bath or shower the night before. Sometimes I'll take a shower before work, but I took a bath last night and I did not wash my hair. I'm going to wash it tonight when I get off. So I'm going to show you guys how to style long hair in a bun. What I do is I take, and this is just a t-shirt. I throw it back on because I'm going to throw my work shirt on over it. Wait, let me go ahead and put my deodorant on. Right now, I have been using this Suave Fresh 24-hour protection, the invisible solid. Sometimes I'll switch up my deodorants. Sometimes I use what's the other one? Secret. And I've been wanting to try the new native deodorant. Not new. It's a native deodorant, but it's like $10 at our Walmart. I've been wanting to try it. And there's this one Secret deodorant I buy that I love. It's like up to 48-hour protection. But right now, this is what we have. It was like a 2-pack on sale. So I ended up with like 4 of those. 2 upstairs and 2 down here. 2 in Olivia's room, my daughter. Okay, so now I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to, what I'll do is I will flip it over and I use these 2 for my bun. I flip well first, let me brush my hair out before I always, because I have such long hair, so I brush it out like this. I'll brush it really, really good. It'll just go, it'll be a lot easier to do the bun. And then I take my long hair and I make sure all the tangles are out. And I take I probably need to trim it again too. I have a video on how to trim long hair. I'll link it. But anyways, so I take it and I flip it over like this. And I take my brush and I brush downwards. So I brush all the long hair down like this. I brush it all down. And then I take my brush and I go up like this. And then I go behind my ears. And I brush I have my left hand to hold it like you're doing a pony. Except you got your head flipped. And I put all this hair I grab it with this hand and I just continue to brush it all like that. And then I'll take a tight hair tie, like one of these, because I have a lot of hair, a lot of long hair. I'll take one of these and then I'll do this and I'll wrap it around once, wrap it around again, and then a third time I'll do like this. I'll take it and I will pull through like that. And I'll pull through to about right there. And then I do this. And then I take this and I'll go like that and I'll wrap it in. I'll put this around it to keep that wrapped around and to keep my bun intact. And there you go, because I get really hot at work, and that's how I do my buns for work. And actually, I have a little lump right there, so I may have to. Okay, let me do this again. Hold on, because I don't want a lump in my hair. I don't know. All right, so just take it out. The kitten's trying to get in here, so I'm just gonna take it, because I like my bun to be up high. We're gonna brush that like that so it won't have that lump. Okay, now there shouldn't be a lump. Take it, do like this, and then like this. And I want it to stay good in a bun. Oh, my hair's so long. And I'll just take that like this. And I'll put it in the back. I don't have any bobby pins. If I had bobby pins, I would pin it around. And I just do like that. And there you go. You have a nice looking chic. Like, I think it looks nice. Bun. You can call it a messy bun or just I think it's so cute. And I will wear my hair. I'll put my work shirt on over this. It has 3 buttons at the top so it won't mess mine up. And then I'm going to add a little bit of makeup to my face. And then I'll put my eyeglasses on before I go to work. And I got to put a pizza in the oven. Oh, sometimes I'll take or I could take this spritzer and spray up here to get back the flyaways, like the little bitty hair flyaways, to make it because I don't have any. You can use hairspray to do that too, but the hairspray is in Olivia's room upstairs. But anyway, what I was going to say was I'm about to, and I need to put some earrings in. I am about to go put a pizza in the oven for Olivia. She is wanting me to cook her a pizza before I go to work. Okay, here's my earrings. I also put in earrings. I love to put in earrings. I'm wearing these small little gold hoops right now. And especially when my hair's up, they're so cute. I don't remember if I got these at Target, Walmart, or I might got them at Five and Below. I can't remember. But anyway, super cute little gold hoops. I'll put my work shirt on over this. I'm about to go put Olivia pizza in the oven so she'll have food ready to eat, because me and her dad both have to work today. I hope all of you are enjoying y'all's Monday. I did a makeup, get ready with me makeup video yesterday, so I don't want to bore y'all with putting on more makeup in this video. So that's part of my routine. I'm going to add makeup, put my work clothes on, and I will be heading to go to work. And I thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.